Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Today's lesson is going to be an unknown one to you. Well, that's what the character that I actually am going to be sharing with you. It's unknown. It's one of my characters that I use for my ABC with Noah. And I thought it'd be fun to use a U to be unknown, just to be silly. Anyways, so that's using my creativity as an artist. And that's the thing that I want to really emphasize on this lesson. Use your imagination all you can, as much as you can. Anyways, all right, so if you're ready to begin this lesson and you got your creative pencil and your fun paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Now, that was an unknown fun lesson. I mean, that was a fun lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and what you can take home from this lesson, simple. Again, take a character that's not been done before and use your imagination. Bits and pieces from an animal, a bug, or whatever, and just be creative. That's all I want to really emphasize on this lesson. And let me shout out also, make sure you save all those drawings and don't throw them away. They're good for you in the future to watch what you have been doing and progressing as an artist. All right, as always and always, I want to say thanks for checking out this video and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.